guys, welcome back to the amazing world of Lesson 8. And today I have this 101 experiments box. So I will be doing an experiment. And it also comes with this book which gives you the instructions for the experiment. So let's start. These are the things that I will need. I will need this base plate, and then I have this box full of screws. I have these two metal pieces, and then do you know what this is? Correct, it's a light bulb. And then I also have these wires, and you also know what this is, right? You don't know what this is? It's a battery. It is a 9-volt battery that you will need. So let's start. I will first take these screws and then now I will need a spring. Can you find me a spring? It's in here. It's over here. It's not in the box. Over here. Can you find a spring over here? This is not a spring. This is wire. This is a light bulb. This is a metal piece. This is another metal piece. That's a battery. That's a cap. That's a nail. That's a screw. That's a spring. Now I will also need this, and then I will attach this on the metal piece. And then I will attach this over here. And now I will place it just around here. I just have to move this up a bit. And now, and then now I will need a screw. Can you find me a screw? Good job. And then I will also need this nut. And I will need this piece. I will place this over here. And then I will take the screw and place it in this. I need to place it under the metal piece. And I will need I will also need a nut to place under here. I will need a wrench, and then I will use the back side of the wrench to tighten this screw. I'll take this off for a bit. And now I will tighten this screw. I don't need a screw right now. I'll tighten the screw. Place this for me over here. Yeah, over there. Push it in now. Good job. Now it will look like this. And then we will need I will need this light bulb, and then I'll take another one of these springs. I will place this spring over here in the light bulb. Like that, and then I'll take one and then I'll place it on the other side. Like that. Now it will look like this. Then I will place this over here. And now I will take these wires, and do you know where to place these wires? You need to place it on the, it's not from here, not that, not that, not that either, not even that, not that, not that. We need to place it on the back. Yes, the battery. You need to turn it all the way around. Then now you have to press it in. Good job. Now if I just put this over here, then the light bulb will light up. Do you want to try? You don't want to try? Okay. Why don't you want to try? Okay. Now, take the other one with the other hand. The other hand. Yeah. Now you have to put one over here. Okay, you put that over there, and then put that over there, and then touch the other one there, and then it lights up. Yeah, it looks like fire. Okay, so we don't want it to work like that. We want it to work like a switch. So I will place this inside this spring, and then the spring will be attached to this, and then I will place this over here. And now once you press this metal piece, it will complete the circuit, so then the light bulb lights up. Don't press it too hard. Press it over here. See, the circuit gets complete and the light bulb lights up. Isn't that amazing? So this is how you conduct the experiment. Do you know how this works? With the button. Yeah, it works with the button, but do you know how it works with the button? What do you see there? Correct, but what goes through there? Electricity. Correct. So, the electricity goes from the red wire all the way to the light bulb, and then from the electricity also goes through the black wire all the way to the spring, and the spring connects to this metal piece. And then once you press the metal piece, it completes the circuit by touching this long piece, and then this long piece touches this spring, and then electricity goes through the spring all the way to the light bulb. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.